The moment we walked up to the entrance of the Zootopia Theme Park, I knew this was going to be a day my son would never forget. A massive sculpture of Judy towered above the plaza, and people were entering through an archway as if stepping into a real city. He squeezed my hand tighter than usual and whispered, "Dad, it's real." And it really felt real, not like decorations, not like a set, a living city. Glass buildings reflecting the sunlight, roller coasters rumbling in the distance, a giant observation wheel slowly turning above us. Everything was moving at once, like a true metropolis. We started in the tiny rodent district. My son froze in place, staring at miniature skyscrapers and a train so small it was shorter than his sneaker, yet it moved like a real commuter line. He crouched down to watch it pass. The look in his eyes, pure discovery. Then came the big ride, the Nick and Judy chase coaster. Honestly, I was more nervous than he was. As the train slowly climbed beside a glass building, he laughed. When we dropped, he screamed, not in fear, but in joy. When it ended, he turned to me with that wide, unstoppable smile, and I felt something shift inside me. We walked through the central plaza eating ice cream, watching the tall giraffe tower lift cabins high into the sky. He kept pointing, "Dad, look, let's do that next. And that one." I realized I hadn't stopped smiling either. The most powerful moment came at the top of the observation wheel. From above, the entire park looked like a real zootopia. Districts, movement, water, rides crossing between buildings. He looked out quietly and said, "Dad, this is the best day ever." And I understood something. It wasn't just about the rides, or the scale, or how impressive everything looked. It was about seeing him completely, undeniably happy. As adults, we think about work, responsibilities, what needs to get done. But there, standing next to him high above that park, I wasn't thinking about any of it. I was just there, with him. When we left, he turned back and waved at the skyline. And I already knew, we'll be back.